Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ExpressVPN router setup with ASUS firmware step by step clearly. Begin by powering on your ASUS router and connecting it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Make sure to connect your computer or mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.50.1. Log in to your router's settings using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the VPN section in the left sidebar menu. Select VPN client to access the VPN configuration options. Click on the Add Profile button to start setting up a new VPN profile. Choose OpenVPN as the connection type for ExpressVPN. Visit the ExpressVPN website and log in to your account. Go to the Setup ExpressVPN on Routers section. Download the OpenVPN configuration file specific to the location you prefer. Return to the router's VPN client page and upload the OpenVPN configuration file you just downloaded. Fill in the necessary fields, including your ExpressVPN username and password. Adjust any additional settings according to your needs, such as encryption preferences. Click Apply to save your settings and activate the VPN connection. Once connected, check the VPN client's status to ensure the connection is active. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that the VPN is successfully connected. Test your connection by visiting a geo-restricted site or checking your IP address. If everything is working correctly, your ExpressVPN router setup is complete. You can now enjoy secure browsing across all devices connected to your ASUS router. Remember, if you encounter issues, restart your router and check the configuration settings. If problems persist, consult the ExpressVPN or ASUS support documentation for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.